how to fix your purchase couldn't be completed on your iPhone. So if you want to fix your purchase couldn't be completed on iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with your control center, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your stable internet connection, if you're still not being able to fix your problem, then what you need to do is open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then make sure that you have updated your software. So go with general and then go with software updates. And if you have any updates on your software, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, you need to scroll down all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And then go with reset and reset all of your network settings. Once done, you can go back. And the next thing you have to do is check whether you have a payment, which means whether you have balance in your Apple payment method. Because if you don't have enough payment, then you might find this kind of error. Make sure that your payment is enough to purchase, or you can also change your payment method. For this, what you need to do is just go with your Apple ID, which will be on the top. And from there, you need to go with payment and delivery, enter your Face ID, and then add another payment method or change your payment method. And your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.